Connect the webcam to the NF-716 with a 12 volts power supply and network cable.
Then connect the port corresponding to the NF-716. Once this is done, we can click on the IPC tester option on the screen and wait for the camera to start. If you need to activate, you will be prompted to activate. Now double-click to enter the full screen. Double-click again to exit the full screen. Go to the menu and click the Network Set option. Here, we can change the IP address. Click the OSD button to change the channel name. Set the desired location and click the OK option. We can also connect the NF-716 to the cable tester test cable. Connect the two ends of the network cable to the cable tester and the NF-716.